Gabby,
Yes?
are you gonna say hi to all your friends?
Hi, guys.
Wait, you have to look at up here.
Guys, I'm trying to focus on my bicycle because sometimes my bicycle go backwards.
You trying to ride your bike in the snow? Are you
Yes.
crazy?
Yes. But my bike is too hard to ride on. Good.
You ever see so much snow in your life?
Yes, but my bike isn't too hard to ride on. Here it is. Oh, I have a good idea. I'm gonna go all the way back here now. And it's our drive. I'm here. Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
My name is Gabby.
Do you have any snow?
Yep.
Oh, wow. That's a lot.
Thank you. I just put on my, sometimes I just put on my plant. Yay. Ooh. Do you want some snow in the plant?
Okay.
Here, want some?
Oh, thank you.
More snow? Oh, I need to take these snow. I need more snow. That'll be sweet. Put the snow in. Yay! My collection is complete. I can't believe it. I finally did it. Hey, I got some snow on my plant.
Okay. Ah! Ah! You kinda got me.
Come get me! Let's play snow fight!
Okay.
Snow fight!
Ah!
Snow fight!
Ah!
Snow fight!
Don't throw snowballs at me!